Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create your My Social Security account using the Public Swan account for government so that you can so that you can securely access ito, so you can securely access your social security info online. So first go to the United States Social Security Administration and click sign in. On the next screen, choose create an account with a Public Swan account for government. So log into .gov. Then click create an account. Enter your email, pick your email language, agree to the rules of use, and hit submit. Check your email from the Public Swan account for government, and then click confirm email address. Now create your password. So it must be 12 plus characters with uppercase, lowercase numbers, and special characters. Use a phrase that you'll remember. Avoid common patterns like 1234, and don't reuse a password from your email or bank. Next, set up a multi-factor authentication or MFA. Text message is common, but more secure options include an authentication app, security key, or face touch unlock. It's the best to choose at least two methods that you can keep using. Now you'll verify your identity for SSA. You'll need a driver's license or state ID, your social security number, a US phone number in your name, and your Public Swan account government password. Choose to verify online on your phone or in person. So for online, enter your phone number, tap the link you get, take photos of your ID and your face, then return to your browser. After that, enter your social security number, confirm your info, receive a one-time code, enter it, and re-enter your password. Save your personal key somewhere safe because you'll need it if you ever forget your password. And then connect your verified info to SSA and agree to the terms and conditions. So congrats, your account is ready. Thank you so much for watching, and for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button.